Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you the easiest way to set time and date in this Skmei 1839 digital and analog watch. So if you also have got this watch and getting trouble in setting time and date, this video is for you. Let's get started. The very first step to set time and date in this watch is you have to come in timekeeping mode at first like me. As you see here, hour, minute and second is mentioned. To come here, press left side down button. This is stopwatch. Press one more time. Now this is timekeeping mode. Once you come in timekeeping mode like this, press left side down button for 3 times. Once, twice, thrice. After pressing 3 times, you can see here seconds have started blinking. Now to adjust these seconds or to make it 0, press right side top button. Whenever I press this right side top button, it adjusts second towards 0. Now to adjust minute and hour, press right side down button. As you see here, minute have started blinking. Use same right side top button to go ahead. In this way you can adjust minute. After adjusting minute, to adjust hour, press right side down button. As you see here, hour have started blinking. Also you can notice here a small icon of A is mentioned. This means we are in AM. Press right side top button to go ahead. You can even change AM and PM by pressing this right side top button. As you see here, now we are here in PM. Now if you want to change hour format from 12-hour format to 24-hour or from 24 to 12, keep pressing this right side top button and change the hour like this. Currently we are in 12-hour format. If I continue press this button, now you can see here H is written. It means now we have came in 24-hour format. Continuously press this same button to go back towards 12-hour format. Set your time according to your desire. After this, now to adjust date, press right side down button. As you see here, this is day that is blinking over here. Press right side top button to go ahead. Adjust in this way. Now to adjust month, follow the same step. Press right side down button. Month is blinking. Right side top button. Press turn by turn to go ahead. So after adjusting date and days, now to adjust days of a week, press right side down button one more time. You can see here Monday is blinking. Right side top button you have to press. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Now after adjusting everything, to keep it fixed, press left side down button at last for one time. Now you can see here whatever the time you have adjusted is fixed over here. Now to adjust this analog time, simply pull out this crown outside and rotate clockwise. As you see here, 4:54 is mentioned. 3, 4, 45, 50, 54. Now after adjusting analog time, push this crown inside. So this is how you can adjust time and date in this Skmei 1839 digital and analog watch. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching till the end.